Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm going to be using to color my cup. It is the Easy Marbles. I will leave a link down below where I got them and the colors I use. You're also going to need a sea sponge. I got mine off of Amazon. You can also find it in drugstores with the loofahs. I just put some of the Easy Marble on a plate, and I am just taking 3 pieces of the sea sponge, and I'm just using each piece for a different color and just dabbing it randomly on the cup. And here I'm just filling in all the white spots. You could do more of one color if you want. I'm kind of just trying to evenly distribute each color around, and then I'm just blending them in nicely to fill all the white spots up. And this is what it looks like once I am done. I didn't like how vibrant the colors were. I wanted it to be a little bit more lighter and like a light pastel. So I'm just going to be taking some white acrylic paint and just dabbing over that lightly to kind of fade the colors out. And if you like the look of the cup before the white acrylic paint, you could also leave it like that. It will just be more vibrant. And this is what it looks like after the white acrylic paint. Now I'm just prepping my cup for my glitter, and I just use about 5 to 8 millimeters of epoxy. And I just use my finger to do a very, very, very thin layer of epoxy. You do not want it to drip. And I use the golden opal glitter. I will leave a link down below as well. And I am just sprinkling this all over my cup to ensure every part of the cup is covered. And then I like to tilt mine to get the bottom. And then here I'm just showing you guys how I put my glitter back into the bag. I just use a piece of copy paper and fold it. And then I like to press all my glitter down after to make sure it lays completely flat. And this is going to ensure I only need like 1 layer of epoxy to seal it. And here I'm also showing you guys that it was kind of chilly when I filmed this, and to heat my epoxy up to make it more easy to maneuver, I just use a candle warmer and it works perfectly. And now I'm just sealing the glitter in here, and I think I used about 30 millimeters for this. And then we're gonna let that dry, and then once it dries, you're just gonna fill for any lumps. I barely have any. I think I had like 2 on the regular cup on the top of the cup, and then basically the bottom and the top edges had the most roughness. So I'm just sanding that down, making it nice and smooth. And then I'm taking 91% rubbing alcohol, just because I did touch the cup to get any of my finger oils and everything off the cup. And then once we do that, I am going to spray paint my cup. I'm using 3 colors for mine. You could do whatever you want. I'm using black, this candy pink, and white. And I did it in those orders. I did black first, the candy pink, and then the white on top. Some people even just use 2. Do what you want. But after, you're going to just start rubbing your cup. You're going to use the acetone. You're going to need acetone and 91% rubbing alcohol. The acetone is what you're going to be using to actually remove the spray paint. And then the alcohol is what you're going to use at the very end to touch your cup up to remove any excess paint that might have got on the white parts that you don't want. So this one, you're literally, it's hard to explain. I'm literally just taking these old baby rags that I have and the acetone, and I'm just rubbing wherever I feel like I want it removed. There's no secret tricks to this. You're just going to remove how much you want it, how much you want gone, and this is going to show the glitter underneath. So I wanted a lot of glitter to show, so I removed a lot of the spray paint. And now you see all this black stuff on it. This is when your rubbing alcohol comes in. You're gonna have to put some elbow grease into it, and you're basically gonna just scrub the heck out of it. And as you can see, it's starting to come off. It does take a lot of work. I have a lot of patience, but it will work. And this is what it looks like. There were some spots that weren't that white, so I just took some of my acrylic paint and a little sponge and just dabbed out on some of the white spots to make it a little bit whiter, in case you have that issue. And this is what it looks like once it's done. And now I'm just making my decal with my Cricut machine. You can put whatever you want on it. I just put Too Blessed to Be Stressed. This is one I made personally, just in Cricut Design Space. And I'm just layering holographic vinyl on top of black vinyl. And then I am going to put it on the cup. This is just, I use pool noodles and put them together with hair ties so I could center my cup so it won't move. And then just squeegee it on, and there you go. And now all you need to do is your final layer of epoxy. So again, I'm just using my finger, and we're gonna smooth that on, and then we're gonna wait for it to dry, and then your cup is basically done. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.